Hello everyone. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytic tool developed by Microsoft that enables users to visualize data, share insights, and make data-driven decisions. It provides interactive visualizations, business intelligence capabilities, and a simple interface for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. Power BI can connect to various data sources, transform raw data into meaningful information, and offers features such as real-time data access, custom visualizations, and seamless integration with other Microsoft products. Beyond its core functionality, Power BI offers several advanced features. 1. Data connectivity. Power BI can connect to a wide range of data sources including Excel, SQL Server, Azure, and many third-party databases and services. This flexibility allows for comprehensive data analysis from multiple sources. 2. Data transformation. With Power Query, users can clean, transform, and merge data from different sources before using it in reports. This ensures data is accurate and relevant for analysis. 3. Interactive dashboards. Users can create dynamic and interactive dashboards that provide real-time insight. These dashboards can be customized and shared across organizations, facilitating collaborative decision making. 4. AI and machine learning. Power BI integrates AI capabilities that allow users to apply machine learning models, perform predictive analysis, and gain deeper insight from their data without requiring extensive data science knowledge. 5. Security and governance. Power BI provides robust security features, including data encryptions, row-level security, and integration with Azure Active Directory for user authentication and authorization. 6. Mobile accessibility. Power BI offers a mobile apps for iOS and Android, enabling users to access their data and reports on the go, ensuring they stay informed and can act promptly. 7. Community and support. A large and active user community, extensive documentation, and a variety of training resources help users get the most out of Power BI. Microsoft also provides regular updates and new features based on user feedback. Power BI combination of ease of use, powerful analytics capabilities, and seamless integration with other tools, making it a valuable resource for businesses of all sizes looking to harness their data for better decision making.